Panasonic Aquarea heat pump systems bring warmth and comfort into homes. With Panasonic Service Plus, you can now relax and leave the maintenance of your Panasonic Aquarea heat pump to the experts. Because, as the manufacturer, Panasonic knows its Aquarea products best. That's what Alberto Traversa, a fourth-generation Italian house builder, is doing. He has just equipped 8 detached houses with highly efficient Panasonic Aquarea heat pump systems. An excellent solution for new homes.
One of the main reasons we chose Panasonic is that the support is directly available here on site and for the quality of the product, given its very low consumption and reliability as a machine.
When your unit is connected to the internet, Panasonic is offering a unique remote maintenance function in real time. In case an unexpected problem occurs, the Panasonic service team will be informed directly. Should immediate assistance be required on the unit itself, Panasonic will send an experienced heating specialist to your side. At the same time, Panasonic detects faults much faster, and that optimizes the service life of your heat pump even further.
In my opinion, this service is essential for the end customer, as it guarantees a longer lifespan of the system compared to a standard system. And above all, the reliability of the maintenance provided by Panasonic.
The Panasonic Aquarea Service Plus packages include various services to solve any issues immediately and much more. In this way, Panasonic ensures that you always get the most out of your heat pump without ever having to worry about possible breakdowns, incorrect settings, or other technical problems. Make your Panasonic Aquarea even more powerful. We'll do the rest.
Panasonic.